Hello everyone and welcome to episode 55 of The Castle. This is episode 55 of The Castle. Here we go. Got a nice little post here. The wall seems just fine. Nicely stacked down there as well. Got a little hot tub.
Ryan! It's gone high tide really quickly. Look! Oh, we can do a trench around the front then. Yep. You're going to tell them what we're doing. No, Kyan, don't do that. Okay, you tell them the actual plan.
Pass me a camera.
No, I've got to hold it.
No. Let me feel it. If I don't want it, I'm feeling it. If I don't want it, I don't want it.
Future Dan, we have shoveled so much sand, and as you can see, this platform here is really nice, and we can maybe pop a tent up. When we started, there was all the way over there.
Ask my demons if you have a question. And it sound like a crocodile.
All done for the day? Dan, he's building a castle. Here. Yeah. 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 See ya.
Stanley will build a wall. Stanley will make it tall. Stanley will build a hall. Try to stop my rising like Terminator, your face will melt. Building up with Allen on a Sunday, he's a black belt. Stacking rocks with Joshua so these walls never fall down. Building towers with Paul in a helmet and a dressing gown. Artificial exertions in every phone throughout the town. Try to plot against me and your family is going down. I don't need a gun when these are fingers are like magic. If you call a drone strike on me, the line will just go static. In the sun like a crocodile. Level up.
Here. We've got the main little perch there. The sun's setting, so we don't have very much light. We've got an anti-drone defense system over there. A little bit damaged. It's probably going to need repairs. Got this little intake here for it to fill up with some nice fresh water every so often. And I'm gonna have a wee go inside the spa. Looks pretty cozy. It's very warm. It's surprisingly warm. You would think that because the sea's just come in and it's getting close to night time, it's getting all dark, it'll be cold. It's like a warm hot tub in here. All these rocks heat up during the day and all that sunlight warms them up and it keeps the pool nice and warm. Just gotta watch out for those little spiky rocks. It's definitely not tall enough to maintain the sand that was in here before. A lot of work was done to put sand inside here earlier on. But
I work alone in the dark while the whole world sleeps through the dark in the shadows where the dark creeps. The
it's a bubble bath.
They accumulate and weep. Thunder rain crash on my enemies while in the sun I sleep.
Yeah, no, that water just washes the sand right out though. It needs to be higher up.
While I still enjoy
Not that much progress yet today. I don't know if I'll be able to do night sessions now, just because of how the tides have cycled. The tide won't be out again until it's quite late, and that conflicts with my... Oh, that lice. Gotta watch out for the lice. The hot tub has flesh-devouring lice that will eat you alive. You just gotta sort of pick them off and you'll be fine. I might just go ahead and place the camera somewhere over here. Maybe amongst all of these spiky thorns rocks. There we go. Alright, I'm going to read a book in a hot tub. I take it back. The hot tub needs improving. It's filled with flesh-devouring lice, and they're currently eating me alive. They cling to your hairs, and they slowly eat you. You can feel them eating your flesh. So I'm going to go back inside. Maybe another day I'll come out here, but with like a full wetsuit to protect against the flesh-devouring lice that are currently finding my skin to be a tasty snack. Oh, I know it's like a therapy in some countries, but I prefer to have a spa pool that doesn't try to eat me alive. Anyway, I'm just gonna have to time it right because these waves are getting slightly bigger. I really don't want to get knocked over while I'm getting in here. They're not actually that bad, but they can get pretty rough sometimes. You can see some rollers out there that begin to pick up. Nice little pool though. Here's the spa pool from the outside. Anyway, thank you for watching and have an excellent day. I'll end episode 55 there. Goodbye. Toodaloo.
Say bye, Dan.
Goodbye. Subscribe.
Okay, bye-bye.
Signing out.